Do you want to improve your UI UX designs and create seamless user experiences? In this video, I am sharing 5 powerful UX design tips that will take your designs to wow. These tips are easy to implement and beginner friendly. Whether you are a UI UX designer, web developer, product manager or design student, these tips will help you design more intuitively, reduce user friction and increases engagement. So, without any delay, let me list down the tips one by one. First one is start with user journey and not with UI. Before jumping into designing beautiful screens, you need to understand what the user is trying to achieve. Focusing on UI too early often leads to cluttered, confused design that looks good but don't work well. UX is about solving problems, not just making things pretty. Instead, start by mapping the user journey. What steps does a user takes to complete a task? For example, like signing up, buying a product or booking a service. Identify their goals, touch points, decisions and possible friction points. This helps you design each screen with clear purpose and flow before worrying about color, buttons or layout. The next one is prioritize visual hierarchy. If everything on your screen is of same size and color, then the user has to work hard to find out call to action buttons or understand the content. A strong visual hierarchy helps user instantly understand what's important on the screen. Without it, everything feels noisy or flat, and the users won't know where to look or what to do next. So, use size, color, contrast and placement to guide attention. Your most important elements like headings, CTAs should stand out more than the secondary content. The next one is design for clarity, not for decoration. Imagine a mobile banking app. A clear minimalist layout with labeled icons makes it easy for users to complete tasks. If the app used fancy gradients, abstract icons and animated backgrounds, it could overwhelm users to cause them to tap the wrong thing, leading to serious consequences like sending money to wrong account. Why it matters is clear design improves usability, helping users find what they need quickly and act without confusion. Decorative elements can distract, slow down users or even lead to mistakes. Clarity builds trust, efficiency and satisfaction. The next one is consistent spacing and alignment. Think of an e-commerce product grid. If the product images, prices and add to cart buttons aren't evenly spaced or aligned, users might struggle to compare them or even miss important actions. Clean alignment and consistent padding helps users browse more comfortably and make quicker decisions. Why consistent spacing and alignment matters is it creates a clean, organized layout that makes content easier to scan and understand. When elements are evenly spaced and properly aligned, users can predict where to find things, reduce cognitive load, and improve overall usability. Inconsistent layout can feel unprofessional. The last one is start your design with mobile first. A new website that's mobile first will highlight key headlines, use intuitive thumb-friendly navigation, and minimizes distraction. When this design is scaled to desktop, the experiences remains clear and focused with extra space enhancing, not crowding the layout. So why it matters is most users will first encounter your product on mobile device. Designing for smaller screen forces you to focus on what truly matters, prioritizing content, simplifying navigation and removing clutter. This leads to better design decisions that scale up effectively. If your product works well on mobile, it will almost work even better on large screens. So when you're going to design a website or mobile app, keep these things in mind. For more interesting design tips and tricks, do follow our channel.